So last video we have done the two problem with Butterworth filter, and now we'll see the digital Chebyshev filter using bilinear transformation to meet the following specification. They given that 3 decibel ripple in pass band, so omega value varies from 0 to 0.3 pi, and 20 decibel attenuation in the stop band. Again this stop band frequency varies from 0.6 pi to it is pi. So we have to use a bilinear transformation. So whatever here they have given, you have to check it is in digital frequency. So it is omega P, they given it as a 0.3 pi, and omega S they given it as a 0.6 pi, and AP they given 3 decibel, and AS they given it as a 20 decibel. So first we have to convert into a equivalent analog filter specification. So we have to convert this digital filter into a analog frequency. So it is omega equal to, use bilinear transformation. So this is the formula. It is omega equal to 2 by T into tan of omega by 2. So here we have to find out what is omega P and what is omega C. We have to find out. Here T value they didn't mention, so we are assuming that T equal to 1 second. So we are getting it is 2 by 1 into tan of omega P value is 0.3 pi. So if you are substituting divided by 2, so it is 1.019 radian per second. Similarly omega C value we are getting 2.75 radian per second. So now here it is a Chebyshev filter. So we know the formula. This is the formula for finding the order n. So substitute AS AP omega S omega P. We are getting n equal to, it is n is 1.8. So n is equal to, it is a 2. And here for finding the Chebyshev filter, we have to find out the epsilon also, that is a ripple factor. So here the ripple factor is root of 10 to the power of 0.1 AP minus 1, it is 0.997. So now we have to write down, now step 3 is we have to write down the transfer function from the data sheet. So for that we have to consider your n value and epsilon value. So for n equal to 2 and epsilon equal to 0.995, from the data sheet we can write down what is B0, what is B1. So we are getting that k divided by s square plus 0.644 s plus 0.707. So here k value we have to find out. The k value will be n value, k value we have to find out. For n value should be either even or odd. Here we are getting it is a even value. So k value will be B0 divided by root of 1 plus epsilon square. So here it is 0.707 divided by root of 1 plus 0.997 the whole square. So it is 0.5. So we are getting, this is the transfer function of the system, that is 0.5 divided by s square plus 0.644 s plus 0.707. Now next step we have to find out the cutoff frequency. So formula will be omega P divided by 10 to the power of 0.1 AP minus 1 the whole power of 1 by 2n. So we are getting that it is 1.02 radian per second. So next one we have to find out this HA of S. For that we have to go for the frequency transformation. So here they didn't mention anything in the question, so we can take low pass to low pass. So to low pass to low pass, the transformation will be S will be replaced by S by omega C. So omega C is, it is 1.02. So we have to replace s value by s by 1.02 in this transfer function. So if we are replacing here, so we are getting HA of s is 0.52 divided by s square plus 0.65 s plus 0.735. So now they are asking to find out the digital Chebyshev filter. So the H of S is converted to H of Z. So to convert the H of Z, they have given you have to use the bilinear transformation. So again this HA of S, the S value will be replaced by, if it is a bilinear transformation, S will be replaced by 2 by T into Z minus 1 divided by Z plus 1. Again we are considering T as a 1 second. So it is 2 into Z minus 1 divided by Z plus 1. So in this transfer function, your S value will be replaced by this term here. So if you are replacing here, so if you are simplifying the term, we are getting this is your H of Z. So next problem, design a digital Chebyshev 1 filter which satisfies the following constraint where 0.8 less than or equal to H of omega less than 1. So the omega value varies from 0 to 0.2 pi and H of omega less than or equal to 0.2. So the omega value varies from 0.6 pi to pi. So they given it is not in decibel. So we have to convert into a decibel. So AP equal to, it is modulus of, it is a KP. KP is nothing but 20 log of, it is 0.8. So it is 2.00 decibel. Similarly here AS is they given it is a 0.2. So it is AS ks is equal to modulus of ks, it is 20 log of it is 0.2, it is a 13.98 decibel. So here they given it is a omega p equal to 0.2 pi and omega s is nothing but it is a 0.6 pi. So next step 1, here we have to, they have given in terms of it is digital frequency, so we have to convert into analog frequency. We have to apply the impulse invariant transformation. So formula will be this analog frequency can be, the relationship is omega divided by digital frequency by t. So here also t we are assuming it is a 1 second. So omega p value will be equal to it is omega p. So it is 0.2 pi and omega s is nothing but equal to, because t value is a 1. So equal to 0.6 pi, that is a pi radian per second. So next step 2 is we have to find out the order range. It is a Chebyshev one filter. So this is the formula. So in that we are getting n value as it is a 1.45. We are going for the higher order, it is n equal to 2. Since it is a Chebyshev filter, you have to find out this ripple factor. So epsilon equal to root of 10 to the power of 0.1 ap minus 1. So we are getting it as a 0.75. So for next step 3, we have to find out the transfer function from the data sheet. So we have to consider what is your n value, what is your epsilon value. So from this, if you are writing, so we got it as k divided by it is a s square plus 0.8038 s plus 0.6367. So again here we have to find out what is the value of k. So it is depending upon the value of n is even and odd. So here n is a even, so k value can be find out by b naught divided by root of 1 plus epsilon square. So here we are getting it as a 0.505. So the k value will be replaced by 0.505. So this is your transfer function. Now step 4, we have to find out the cutoff frequency. So it is omega c equal to omega p divided by 10 to the power of 0.1 ap minus 1 the whole power of 1 by 2n. So if we are substituting here, we are getting it as a 0.718. So next one, we have to find out the h of s. So we have to go for the frequency transformation. So here also they didn't mention in the question. So we can go for low pass to low pass. So here the s value will be replaced by it is s by omega c. So omega c is 0.718. So in this transfer function, your s value will be replaced by s by 0.718. So we are getting that it is 0.505 into 0.15. So if you are multiplying here, we are getting it as a 0.26 divided by s square plus 0.577 into s plus 0.328. If you are simplifying, we will get this. This is your transfer function. So now we have to, this is in S domain. They are asking what is digital Chebyshev filter. So we have to convert this S2, it is a Z domain. So h of Z can be find out by, we have to use this impulse invariant method. So this one directly we cannot write your impulse invariant. So again here it is constant divided by only this term is there, directly we can write here one constant term also it is there. So this we can write it in the form this 0.26 if you are taking outside. So we can write b divided by this s plus a square plus b square, that form we can write. So b if you want, so this we have to multiply it with the term 0.495 and we have to divide by 0.495.